Okay, I've been looking on YouTube and I couldn't find any videos on how to repair and diagnose the actuators for Nissan Titan, Nissan Armada, and Infiniti QX56. So I'm going to go through them real quick. I've got, this is a QX56 I'm working on, and I have the vehicle running so that I can show you which actuators are what and how they operate. So you have to take the glove box out on the passenger side to get to some of them. And I don't know, let me see if I'm gonna have to put my light on. Okay, so you have this actuator right here. That one's going to do the fresh air or in-cabin mix. And let me turn the air on. Okay, so it's on now. Now watch, this box is going to open up. Okay, it's set to fresh air. I'm going to set it to inside, and you see, so this actuator opens that up, and we'll go back to fresh air, and it closes that up. Now this actuator up here, this one up here, see if you can see that. That one right there, that's the one that changes the blend. Let me see if I can, guys, it's very hard to hold this thing and to talk and to do things. So okay, I'm going to change. Okay, we're on that now. All right, so I'm going to change the mode. You're going to see it move. Okay, you see that? That's going from floor, from the vents to the floor. Then it changes again. See, that's going to open up for the defrost, and then it opens up some more, total defrost. And then we're going to go back, and that's going to be right there. That's going to be the vents again, the dash vents. Okay, so that's what that one does. Now there's another one here. I don't know if you can even see that. I don't know if you can see that one down in there. You see it? Back here behind these pipes. And these are the heater pipes. They're very hot. Coming and going from the heater core. Okay, see the plug that's going into it. Okay, that's the one. When you change the temperature, this has dual zones, so you have one temperature for the passenger side and one temperature for the driver's side. So this is the passenger side zone, and it's got, there's a little, you can't see it, but there's a little gearbox. And when you turn the heat up, it's going to close off the vent from the AC, and it's going to open up the vent to the heater core. Okay, so those are the three on this side. So you got fresh air in-cabin mix. You've got the mode mix up here. You got the mode mix up here, and then you got the down back in here, and this is the heating AC blend. Okay, so what was broken on this one, I'll bring it around here, is you have two actuators on this side, on the driver's side. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, it's hanging down right now. You see that? Let me see if I can get up in here. You see that gear right here? Okay. Let's see if I can hold this. See this gear right here? Right here. Okay, this is the hot air cold mix. So if you turn it, and of course I can't do it with hold the phone and turn it at the same time. Anyhow, this actuator is missing a gear. There's supposed to be a gear on that drive shaft right there. That drive shaft hooks up to that. You see see the little hole there next to it? The drive shaft goes in there, or rather the gear cog goes in that hole there. And the other part of it goes onto this drive shaft. and then that turns this up and down, and that changes the AC to heat blend for the vehicle. Well, that's what's broken here. I'm missing that cog, and I have one on order, and I'm gonna replace that. So that's it in a nutshell. So now there's finally a video on YouTube that shows you the actuators on a Nissan Titan, Nissan Armada, Infiniti QX56. Mike Machines out.